Another let problem. In a certain school, the ratio of boys to girls is 5:7. If there are 180 boys and girls in the school, how many boys are there? So the problem is all about knowing how many boys are in the school. So we have choices: A, 105, B, 90, C, 45, D, 75. Now, let X be the unknown value or the common factor of the ratio. Then 5x equals number of boys and 7x equals number of girls. We get an equation of 5x plus 7x equals 180. Combining the terms at the left side, you get 5x plus 7x, 12x equals 180. And dividing both sides by 12, to get only x at the left, you have x equals 15. Since we have 5x equals the number of boys, so replace x by 15. 5 times 15 equals 75. So the answer is letter D, 75 boys.